Looking to invest in ConnectWise Manage for your help desk needs? Here are 12 things you should know before buying so you can make an informed decision and avoid surprises. First off, ConnectWise Manage is a comprehensive tool used for IT service management, helping businesses handle everything from ticketing to client billing. But how does it stack up against its competitors like ServiceNow or Freshdesk? The first thing to consider is its robust ticketing system. With ConnectWise Manage, you get customizable workflows, ticket prioritization, and automation options. While this is powerful, Freshdesk offers a more user-friendly interface for those who prioritize ease of use. Next thing, integrations. ConnectWise Manage integrates with various tools, but its ecosystem is more IT-focused. If you're using multiple platforms like Salesforce or QuickBooks, you might find its integrations less versatile than some competitors, like Zoho Desk, which offers broader app support. The third thing to know is pricing. ConnectWise Manage tends to be on the higher end for smaller businesses or startups, especially compared to solutions like Freshservice or Zendesk. The advanced features are valuable, but you'll need to weigh the cost against your budget. The fourth thing is customer support. While ConnectWise Manage offers decent support, some users find it lacking compared to other platforms. Zendesk, for example, provides 24/7 support and faster response times, which could be a crucial factor for your business. Next thing, automation. ConnectWise Manage is strong in this area with customizable ticket routing, task assignment, and alerts. However, automation is more intuitive and advanced in ServiceNow, which offers superior customization for enterprise-level companies. The sixth thing, user experience. While ConnectWise Manage offers a ton of features, the learning curve can be steep. If you're looking for an easier-to-learn platform, Freshdesk or Zendesk might be a better option for your team's productivity. Next up, reporting and analytics. ConnectWise Manage provides detailed reports and metrics, which are essential for tracking performance. However, competitors like Freshservice offer more visual, customizable dashboards for a more interactive experience. The eighth thing is mobile access. With ConnectWise Manage, you get mobile apps for managing tickets on the go. However, the mobile app could use more features and stability compared to mobile solutions offered by Zendesk, which has a smoother and more responsive interface. Next thing to note, scalability. ConnectWise Manage is well suited for growing businesses, particularly those in the IT services industry. Its scalability is impressive, but if you're in another sector or need something with more flexibility and customization, you might find platforms like Zoho Desk more adaptable. The 10th thing is user permissions. ConnectWise Manage allows you to control permissions at a granular level, making it a great choice for teams with different roles. But if you need more flexibility in role-based workflows, ServiceNow offers a more complex system tailored to large enterprises. Next thing, security. ConnectWise Manage offers solid security features, such as two-factor authentication and compliance options. Still, if security is a top priority for you, you may want to consider tools like Freshservice, which has advanced security features for highly regulated industries. The 12th thing to consider is onboarding. ConnectWise Manage setup process can be time-consuming. While it offers customer success teams to help with the transition, competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer more streamlined and guided onboarding to get your team up and running faster. So, is ConnectWise Manage a good option? It's solid if you're in IT services and need a customizable platform. However, if you want a better option with a simpler setup, more flexibility, or a broader range of integrations, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free, so you can see if it fits your needs.